Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through a disaster called as heat waves, guys. Okay, so from the name only you'll be getting some idea like heat waves. So basically the temperature or something is really high, so that is causing some issue, right? So from the name you can identify these kind of things. Okay, so from the name you can identify that heat wave is a period of exhaustive hot weather. So I told you heat is nothing but hot weather which accompanied by high humidity, okay, especially in oceanic climatic countries. Okay, so in most of the places where the oceans are there, okay, so there the temperatures could be high, right, sometimes. So in those kind of places, these kind of heat waves will occur. So basically heat waves, from the name only you can say it is nothing but high temperature, right? Yes, so high temperature means what will be the effect, guys? Okay, so in high temperatures what will be happening, guys? Think once. Okay, so in a high temperature, so if this is the water, so in high temperatures the water will start evaporating, right? So indirectly the surface of the earth or the air or the atmosphere will be having a huge humidity. Yes, so this is nothing but heat wave, guys. Okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea about the definition. So let us go through the theory. So it is a period of exhaustive heat with humidity. That's the thing that you should remember. So it develops slowly and kills and injures more animals and peoples. So basically it is nothing but a high temperature which causes problems to everyone, right? Yes. Okay, so it is nothing but a silent disaster, you can say. Effects. So effects could be heat stresses, sunstrokes, like children will be falling down, right? So when they are playing in the playground for a long time in a sunny day, they will be collapsing down. Like low level of glucose, we'll be seeing that ads, right? So that's the thing. That's nothing but a sunstroke, and that occurs due to heat waves. Okay. Similarly, feverish feelings and warm things, and more severe in June in India. Okay, so like temperatures in June will be really high, right? Yes. So what are the causes for it? So the causes are nothing but high atmospheric pressure, air from the upper levels of the atmosphere decently and rotate and compress. Okay, and compresses, thus releasing the temperature occurs. Okay, so occurs in early babies less than 4 years, outdoor workers, pregnant women and infants. So basically these heat waves will make children, guys, like children, outdoor workers and everyone who are working outside, there is a high chance that they could fall ill for this. Okay, okay, so heat stress on livestock, guys, always remember livestock are nothing but the animals, guys. Okay, so animals changes their behavior based on the heat waves. Okay, and effects of heat waves on agricultural crops. So basically anything, if the temperature is high, that will be an issue, right? So if temperature is too high, the soil, even though the water has gone through the soil, again the soil needs water, like it's some kind of drought, you can say. Yes, droughts or dryness. Okay, okay, so and even sometimes which could lead to a crop failure, guys. Okay, okay, so let us continue. Okay, so psychological and sociological effects, that is nothing but wildfires, that is nothing but forest fires, we can popularly called as physical damage to roads and line burns. Okay, okay, so heat disorders. So basically even people will be facing some issues like skin burns. So they will be saying, right, in some places they will be saying that when they go to beach or somewhere they'll be saying that sunburns, they'll be applying sun lotions and everything, right? So that is nothing but a sunburn which could be caused due to the heat waves. Okay, so skin renderness and painful feverness, headache, take a shower using, that will be a remedy for it. Okay, similarly heat cramps in leg or muscles, gently massage them and do some basic first stage and that will be settled, guys. Okay, okay, and heat exhaustion, heavy setting, weakness skin. Okay, so that these could be few issues, guys. Okay, okay, so I hope everyone got some basic idea about heat wave, right? So heat wave, in simple words, you can say that it is nothing but the high temperatures, guys. So basically in high temperatures everything will be working, will not work in a proper way, right? So that is nothing but a heat wave. Okay, okay, so I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture we will be going through cold waves, guys. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.